So that's up after coming up the rock there. Let's see how we're gonna do this. You need a hand? Here, can you grab a handhold up here?
I got a grip, but
okay.
I just, my anxiety is kicking in.
Give yourself some time. It's
shit.
It's okay. You got it. Don't rush it.
Shit.
You got it. You got it. Okay. Yeah. Careful here. Oh, I'm going on my butt. There we go. Nice, solid iron. All right. Got it. Go on your butt. Go on your butt. Less scary on your butt. There you go.
I gotta put my phone away.
Okay.
Oh, holy cannoli.
Sorry. You got it. All right. Oh, this is not scary at all. Holy cow. So this is why they call it the Beehive. This is
I feel like it's gonna be easier climbing up than down.
I don't think we go down this way.
Oh, okay. Yeah, because I don't see people coming.
Holy cow. Holy cow. All I gotta say is kudos to whoever set these iron rungs.
kidding. They did a great job. So no, we can't turn back around. He said we can turn back around.
Not anymore. I think we're past the worst part now. Maybe not.
People did climb really fast. Maybe that went in front of us. Unless they took a different route. Oh, are we almost there?
No idea.
So winded, but you're not. Oh, it's this way. The fact that you're so winded, but you're not sweating, is weird. So I think we need. No, but you should. Especially you're so, like, especially since you feel all the blue blazes, especially since you felt the flare today. I'm pretty sure. No, switch. This way. Yeah, maybe talk to a endocrinologist about your, like, how would I just done it?